Dumpster rental service in White Bluff, Tennessee. If you're looking for a dependable dumpster rental service in White Bluff, Tennessee, look no further than Tandem Disposal. Whether you're cleaning up your home, working on a construction project, or renovating your business, we have the dumpster that fits your needs. We offer a range of sizes to accommodate various types of waste, ensuring the perfect solution for your project. Our team focuses on providing affordable and reliable services, emphasizing timeliness and customer satisfaction. When you work with Tandem Disposal, you can expect prompt delivery and pickup of your dumpster every time. We pride ourselves on our professionalism and dedication to making waste disposal easy and stress-free. No matter how big or small your project, we're here to help. Call us at 615-390-1129 to schedule your dumpster rental in White Bluff, Tennessee. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is ready to help with any questions. Let us take care of the waste while you focus on what matters most. For fast and reliable dumpster rental service in White Bluff, Tennessee, choose Tandem Disposal.